One thing that can increase your happiness is giving random acts of kindness. This is according to top researchers around happiness. And so sometimes we think, well, like what can we give? And does it really make a difference in this world? Well, I can tell you it definitely does, and it has a ripple effect. For example, today I was on a walk and I was worrying about something, and then this guy walks by. He has this huge smile on his face. It was completely contagious, and he says, "Hi." And it just really lifted my spirits. And so that had, of course, lifting my spirits will help me in working my way through my problem solving, because when you're in worry is keeping you from your higher cognitive functions. It's not helping at any point. So the next time that you're thinking, well, I want to increase my happiness in my life, then give a smile. Do random acts of kindness, because it does have a ripple effect out in the world, making not only you living your life at a happier, higher vibrational level, but also helping others live their life too. So here's to you living the best version of yourself. And remember, you matter, your dreams matter, and your dreams will change the world.